Welcome to this tutorial on how to see futures in Thinkorswim. Today, we will explore the steps needed to access and analyze futures contracts using the Thinkorswim platform. This powerful tool provides a wealth of information for both novice and experienced traders. First, open your Thinkorswim application and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can easily create one for free. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Market Watch tab at the top of the screen. Here you will find various options related to market data. Click on the Quotes sub-tab to begin setting up your futures watch list. Next, you will need to add futures to your watch list. Click the gear icon next to your watch list to access the settings. Then select Futures from the list of available instruments. You can then search for specific futures contracts or browse through different categories, such as commodities, indices, or currencies. Make sure to select the contracts you are interested in and add them to your watch list. Finally, once you have your futures contracts in your watch list, you can analyze them using various tools within Thinkorswim. You can view charts, study historical data, and even apply technical indicators to help make informed trading decisions. Remember to take your time to familiarize yourself with the features available in Thinkorswim, as they can significantly enhance your trading experience. Happy trading!